In front of me is Air 2 Ultra, and today I would like to show you how you can operate vibration options. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling to click on Sound and Vibration. Then scroll down to click on Vibration and Haptics and use this switcher next to Use Vibration and Haptics to activate them. If your phone is on mute, you need to unmute them to manage all of those options. By clicking on the switchers next to them. Then go back, scroll all the way down and use those two switchers next to charging sounds and vibration, and always show icon when in vibrate mode to operate those two as well. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!